can't wait, I can't wait. When will they fling wide that gate? I'm going, yes I'm going. I'm going to the, I'm going, really going to the, going. I'm going to the Tech and Tool Emporium. In my tent I staked out all night long, right by the doors where the deals belong. Nose to the glass, dawn's first gleam. Gotta snag that tech and live the dream. Need a soldering gun for job's old trick. 3D printers humming layer by brick. Laser cutters, soon they'll be mine to wield. Building PCs in my garage V. Staff invest, roam aisle so vast. Smart lights and drywall stretch past. Free USB drives for the 10th in line. A cordless drill to make it divine. I can't wait, I can't wait. When will they fling wide that gate? I'm going, yes I'm going. I'm going to the, I'm going, really going to the, going. I'm going to the Tech and Tool Emporium. They've got screwdrivers, LED strips, drywall saws and microchips, power drills, smart thermostats, paint rollers and welcome mats, cable testers, Wi-Fi routers, tile spacers and grout spreaders, heat guns, VR headsets, cork tubes and tool chest sets, oscilloscopes, stud finders, smart locks and cordless grinders, RGB fans, motion sensors, wood stains and air compressors, flux pens, circuit boards, curtain rods and extension cords, laser levels, SSDs, wall sconces and USB-Cs, Dremel tools, smart plugs, deck screws, rugs, angle grinders, ram sticks, glue guns and paint bits. I can't wait, I can't wait. When will they fling wide that gate? I'm going, yes I'm going. I'm going to the, I'm going, really going to the, going. I'm going to the Tech and Tool Emporium. I'm going, yes I'm going. I'm going to the, I'm going, really going to the, I'm going to the Tech and Tool Emporium. From Jobs Garage to my front door, DIY dreams are iconic.